Hi friends, it's really a pleasure and really an honor for me to be with all of you on this very important and momentous day. It is the Retail's Employees Day called RED, and it is my first time that I have this opportunity to address each one of you on this particular day. I do understand that this year has been an extraordinary year, an unprecedented year which has been tough on all of us, whether it is personally or professionally. Having said that, these circumstances have also brought out some wonderful stories and heroes in each one of you. You have been the face of this organization as we faced the gloom and the hopelessness in the first quarter of our year. You were the one who stepped out with a lot of courage and a lot of commitment to come in to open our stores in the month of July. You were the ones who actually greeted our first customers as they came back into the stores in terms of getting to buy our brands. You were the ones who were here to get the stores in place, get our brands in front of our consumers. In fact, even going to the consumers from your stores to their houses to make sure that the offerings that Raymond has is with our consumers. This is absolutely an extraordinary test of your bravery and your courage that you have demonstrated in all these months. I would like to really thank each one of you for such a level of commitment that you've had in every minute and every hour that you have spent in these stores, greeting every customer who has come onto our doorstep. I'm also quite committed to the long-term career development of each one of you, and I want to take this occasion to recommit ourselves as an organization to your career. A program which has really got the industry quite excited, program called Accelerate, is something that we as an organization are fully committed to, and I really hope that all of you will strive to be part of this program and continue your professional development and continue to be with Raymond organization as you step into this exciting world to make it even better. This day is also a day of fun, a day of celebration, a day of comradeship, and I really hope that all the activities that you are actually enjoying through this day are something that you will treasure and the memories will stay with you. We are also conscious that we live in the world where all the retailers have actually come together, whether it is the local kirana walas, whether it is the delivery boys and girls who have actually come in and delivered at our doorstep, or whether it is departmental stores. The entire retail community actually has come together, and this really speaks volumes of the spirit and the sacrifice that the entire retail community has actually put in during this rather tough times. All I can say is a very big thank you, and I really hope that we continue this journey where there is hope, where there is commitment, and where there is a lot of courage that each one of you have demonstrated. So good luck, have fun today, and we will be in touch. Thank you.